How do I prove my back pain and muscle spasms were caused by a car accident? You prove it by building a clear timeline that connects the crash, your symptoms, and your medical records. The most important proof is usually prompt documentation. Tell every medical provider when the pain started, where it hurts, and that it began after the collision. Records that mention back pain, muscle spasms, limited movement, tenderness, or treatment recommendations can help show the connection. You should also keep the crash report, photos of the vehicles, repair information, witness names, and any camera information. These items help show that the collision happened and that the impact could reasonably explain your injury. Not going to the hospital right away does not automatically ruin your claim. Many people feel worse later, but delays and gaps in treatment can give the insurance company an argument. So be ready to explain them truthfully. If you miss care because of scheduling, transportation, cost, or because you hope the pain would improve, say that consistently and keep any proof you have. Prior back problems also do not automatically defeat a claim. The key is whether the crash caused new symptoms, made an old condition worse, or changed your ability to work and do normal activities. In North Carolina, fault can also matter. The insurer may dispute what happened in the crash or argue that you share blame. So your evidence should show both why the other driver was at fault and why your own actions were reasonable. The bottom line is this: consistent medical records, a believable timeline, and preserved crash evidence are what usually make a back pain and muscle spasm claim stronger.